Imagine a world where the boundary between your high-end gaming desktop and the palm of your hand has completely evaporated. No more compromises. No more lowering your settings to low, just to get a stable 30 frames per second. No more squinting at washed-out LCD screens while your battery percentage counts down like a ticking time bomb. For the last 3 years, we've been living in the first draft of the handheld revolution. But today, the draft is over. The final version has arrived. When the original ROG Ally dropped, it shook the industry. It was the first real threat to the Steam Deck's dominance. It brought us the Z1 Extreme, a high refresh rate screen, and the freedom of Windows 11. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But let's be honest with ourselves, it wasn't perfect. We dealt with the SD card issues, the mediocre battery life, and a software experience that felt like fighting with a regular laptop tucked into a controller. ASUS heard the critics. They watched the competition from Lenovo and MSI. And for 2026, they haven't just iterated. They've gone for the throat. The ROG Ally 2 is the most aggressive piece of hardware ASUS has ever engineered. If you've been sitting on the sidelines wondering if handheld PC gaming is just a fad, or if you're a Steam Deck loyalist looking over the fence, you need to pay attention. Because the specs we are looking at today don't just move the needle, they break the gauge. Let's start with the heart of the beast. The silicon. The ROG Ally 2 is powered by the brand new AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme. This isn't just a minor clock speed boost. We are talking about an architecture built on the Strix Point Zen 5 nodes. For the first time, we have 16 RDNA 3.5 compute units in a handheld. In plain English, this device is capable of running Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, and the latest Unreal Engine 5 titles at native 1080p with high settings, hitting 60 frames per second consistently. We are officially entering the territory where a handheld can outperform a mid-range gaming laptop from just 2 years ago. But power is useless if you can't see it. The biggest upgrade, and the one that USA gamers have been demanding since the Steam Deck OLED launched, is finally here. The ROG Ally 2 features an 8-inch tandem OLED display. This is the gold standard of screen technology. We're talking infinite contrast ratios, deep, inky blacks that make horror games terrifying, and a peak brightness that means you can actually play your favorite games outside on a sunny day without seeing nothing but your own reflection. And ASUS didn't stop at the panel quality. They've kept the one feature that makes the Ally superior to almost every other handheld: variable refresh rate, or VRR. But now, it's pushed to 144 Hz. On the Ally 2, even when your frame rate dips during an intense boss fight, you won't see screen tearing. You won't feel the stutter. It stays buttery smooth. Once you've played on a VRR handheld, going back to a fixed 60 Hz screen feels like going back to the Stone Age. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Battery life. The original Ally was notorious for dying in less than 90 minutes on AAA titles. It was its Achilles heel. ASUS has responded by cramming an 85 watt-hour battery into the Ally 2. That is a massive jump. Combined with the efficiency of the 4nm Z2 Extreme chip, we are